Okay, in this segment we're going to download some base station information from the Smartnet North America network. First, what you'll have to do is go to the Smartnet site, and you can go to www.smartnetna.com, and from there that'll take you to the home page, and then on the right hand side you'll want to log in first off. So you'll type in a username and password. And that should get you into the site, and when you log on you'll get to an interface that looks something like this. On the top browsing bar you'll click the Rhinex data sources and go to the Rhinex project tool, and that'll take you to an interactive map, and this is where you'll want to browse or pan and zoom to the location of where your base station of interest exists. And I'm looking for base station information at or around Calgary, and once I've zoomed into the map for my location, I'm going to click the From Map button under the project location section and then go update, and what that'll do is it'll refresh all of my different sites for that area that in the map window above. Next, you'll have to select a project time and a day. So I'll pick a day first, and when I'd like to download data for, and a start time of when I'd like to download the information, my time zone, and how long I would like data for. So you'll select those and then click update one more time. That'll refresh the information. Now all you'll have to do is click the base station information you want to download for that particular time and area. So I'm looking for the two Calgary base stations. I'm going to click both of those, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to go create project, and what you'll get is this little alert that says you've been emailed a notice when your data is done processing. You won't get that information because of course you don't have access to this email, but what you can do is say okay, and what will happen is that you can just click the refresh button or the F5 button on your keyboard, and this little red gear wheel will eventually turn into a little green download button like you see here. So I've hit F5, and now my little red gear wheel turns into a green download area. That's going to depend on how much data you're downloading, how busy the site is. But once you've got your confirmation, then you can go ahead and click that little green download arrow, and it'll ask you to download the file. You can put that somewhere on your local drive, save that data, and once you've got it downloaded, then you can extract that zip file and bring it into like a GeoOffice. So that's done, and I can go into that download file and go ahead and extract those Rhinex files and bring those into like a GeoOffice. And that's how you can access data from the Smartnet network. Thanks for watching.